guys, today I'm gonna take you guys to fish in a suburban area. This place is actually right next to Norwest metro station, and I'm gonna fish under a building. One day I drove past and saw a bit of a small lake, and obviously as a fisherman I can't help, so I came around, saw some fish, and I reckon I'm gonna give it a try when there are not as many people walking around. So this is the place. Whoop, there's a spider web here. Better go around it now. So as you can see, it may be a private property, but this lake is Stranger Creek, so I assume that it is public, but I think I probably still won't be allowed to fish here. So I'm gonna fish really early in the morning. Well, I'm pretty sure someone fished here too. As you can see, there's a plank here. I'm gonna be very careful and walk on this plank. Feel like a bit of pirate. There you go. Come around, and I'll just cast from here. So last night there was a pretty bad thunderstorm, so normally carp becomes quite quiet now. I'm hoping in a small water like this I will still be able to catch something. So let's see. It's amazing fishing right underneath some kind of shelter, you know. It's the first for me. First hook up. Oh no, it gets snagged somewhere. Lost it. Fish on again. It actually get tangled up with a little stick here, like a fallen tree branch. I may actually just lift the fish with the branch, because the fish seems to be quite small. Okay, a little one. There are bigger ones in there. Let's see when I can actually catch one. Third hook up. Oh no, it came off. Fish on again. Same rod. I'm not gonna let you go this time. Ooh, seems like a big one. There we go. Second carp today. A big one. Well, long one anyways. Nice. Another one. It's fun today. Well, a third one, small one this time again. Okay guys, I think I'll call it a day. Got a few hookups, a couple of small carp, one bigger one. I'm happy. I don't think the fish is the main thing today, is the experience. I mean, how many times can you try to fish right underneath a building? I can't tell you guys to do the same thing because it may be a private property, but it was fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.